100-inch television can make gaming feel closer to a commercial cinema than a normal living room setup. But that enormous screen also magnifies every weakness, from motion blur and poor local dimming to input delay and weak HDR, which means buying the largest TV you can afford does not automatically give you the most immersive experience. The surprising part is that the television with the highest advertised refresh rate number does not take first place, because once the screen reaches this size, brightness control, HDMI flexibility, game mode picture quality, and the ability to preserve detail during rapid movement can matter more than one headline specification. At number 5 is the Samsung QN80H, which combines quantum mini LED full array lighting with Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor and motion accelerator 144 Hz, while FreeSync Premium Pro helps synchronize the display with changing frame rates during compatible games. Samsung also includes Gaming Hub, which allows supported cloud gaming services to run directly through the television without requiring a console, although subscriptions, an internet connection, and a compatible controller are still required. The QN80H is especially appealing for someone who uses several types of gaming hardware, because its 144 Hz capability gives a gaming PC additional headroom, while PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X can use the 4K 120 performance they support. Sony confirms that PS5 can output 4K at 120 Hz through HDMI 2.1, while Microsoft lists frame rates of up to 120 frames per second for Xbox Series X. So console players should not choose a television simply because it advertises 144, 165, or 288 Hz. Samsung's strongest advantage is not necessarily extreme brightness or the largest local dimming zone count, but the polished processing that becomes increasingly important when a game uses a lower internal resolution, dynamic resolution scaling, or older assets that must be enlarged across a 100-inch panel. The QN80H also offers a convenient Samsung ecosystem and cloud gaming access, although the absence of Dolby Vision means Xbox players who specifically want Dolby Vision gaming may prefer one of the models appearing higher in this ranking. At number 4 is the Hisense U7 SG, which represents the aggressive value option for buyers who want serious gaming performance without immediately moving into flagship pricing. Hisense equips the U7 SG with mini LED lighting, up to 3,000 nits of claimed peak brightness, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and an integrated game bar, while its processing analyzes the picture scene by scene to adjust clarity, contrast, and color during both games and regular content. The U7 SG should be particularly effective with bright HDR games because its available light output can give sunlight, explosions, neon signs, reflective armor, and brightly illuminated environments more impact than a lower brightness display, while mini LED local dimming helps preserve depth when those effects appear against darker backgrounds. It also avoids OLED-specific concerns about repeatedly displaying the same maps, health bars, menus, and scoreboards, which can provide extra peace of mind for players who spend hundreds of hours inside one competitive game. Its biggest attraction is the balance between scale and performance, because a genuine 100-inch mini LED television with FreeSync Premium Pro and a gaming interface would previously have belonged to a much more expensive category. The models above it provide either stronger brightness, more advanced dimming, or a more complete high-end connection package, but the U7 SG may still become the smartest deal when discounts place it substantially below the premium alternatives. Number 3 goes to the Hisense U8QG, which remains one of the strongest giant screen gaming televisions available in 2026, even though it originated in the previous model cycle. It combines mini LED Pro lighting with up to 5,000 nits of claimed peak brightness, a native 165 Hz refresh rate, anti-reflection Pro, and a Game Mode Ultra system supporting VRR from 48 Hz to 165 Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro Auto Low Latency Mode, Low Latency Motion Processing. That combination makes the U8QG especially compelling for PC gamers because a capable graphics card can take advantage of refresh rates beyond the 120 Hz limit of current consoles, while VRR helps reduce tearing when performance changes between demanding scenes. Console players still benefit from the television's brightness, low latency features, and strong HDR presentation, even though the panel's full 165Hz capability will remain unused by PS5 and Xbox Series X. The U8QG also includes a 4.1.2 channel audio system with a built-in subwoofer and upward-firing speakers, which is valuable on a screen this large because basic television speakers can sound disconnected from an image that fills most of the wall. A dedicated sound system remains preferable for serious gaming, although buyers who are not adding one immediately receive a more substantial starting point than many ultra-thin televisions provide. The main reason it stops at number 3 is that the TCL models above it provide a more flexible 4-port HDMI 2.1 configuration and more ambitious local dimming hardware, which can matter in a gaming setup containing an Xbox, PlayStation, gaming PC, and an eARC sound system at the same time. I have linked every television featured in this video in the description below, so you can check today's prices and compare them more easily, because discounts change frequently and a major price drop can completely alter which giant gaming television offers the strongest value. At number 2 is the TCL QM8L, and this is the model I would expect most gamers to seriously consider because it offers many of the features associated with TCL's flagship without reaching the same price. The QM8L uses a native 144Hz panel and provides 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs capable of accepting 4K signals at up to 144Hz, which means an Xbox Series X, PlayStation 5, gaming PC, and eARC sound system can remain connected without forcing the owner to sacrifice a high-bandwidth port. Its gaming package includes VRR, Auto Game Mode, a dedicated game bar, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and Game Accelerator 288, although the 288Hz headline is mainly relevant to compatible PC configurations rather than console gaming because PS5 and Xbox Series X are designed around output of up to 120Hz or 120 frames per second. For console owners, the more important advantage is that the QM8L comfortably supports 4K and 20 with VRR, while preserving enough HDMI flexibility for a complete entertainment setup. The SQD Mini LED backlight adds up to 4,000 local dimming zones and up to 6,000 nits of claimed peak brightness depending on screen size and testing conditions, which gives HDR games substantial impact while allowing the television to maintain stronger black levels than a basic large-screen QLED. Bright effects can remain intense without forcing the entire picture to appear washed out, while the wide color system helps neon lighting, fantasy environments, animation, and colorful particle effects retain saturation as brightness increases. The QM8L does not receive first place because the model above it offers far more dimming precision and brightness potential. But this is the television I would recommend to the largest number of buyers because its 98-inch size is effectively equivalent to 100 inches in normal use, while its gaming connectivity, mini LED performance, and price create a much more reasonable balance than the flagship option. Taking the number 1 position is the TCL X11L, which wins not because it has a higher native refresh rate than every competitor, but because it combines a complete gaming feature set with the most advanced picture hardware in this group. The X11L uses a native 144Hz panel, supports VRR and FreeSync Premium Pro, includes Auto Game Mode and Game Accelerator 288, and provides 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs capable of handling 4K at up to 144Hz. What separates it from the QM8L is the SQD Mini LED system, which TCL rates at up to roughly 20,000 dimming zones and as much as 10,000 nits of peak brightness depending on screen size and measurement conditions. Those numbers do not mean every game will run at that brightness, and they do not turn the television into an OLED. But they give the X11L much more control when a scene contains tiny bright effects beside dark backgrounds, which can reduce halos around HUD elements, stars, weapon effects, and environmental lighting while preserving stronger HDR intensity. This becomes especially valuable on a 98-inch screen because local dimming errors that seem minor on a 55-inch television can become far easier to notice when every object is enlarged across almost an entire wall. The X11L's stronger zone control allows dark cinematic games to retain depth, while bright HDR titles can use its tremendous output, giving it a broader performance range than a television optimized mainly for one lighting condition. The 4 full bandwidth connections also make the X11L suitable for an advanced setup containing multiple consoles and a PC, while FreeSync Premium Pro and VRR support give PC and Xbox players protection against tearing as frame rates change. PS5 owners will not use the television's highest advertised PC-oriented refresh modes, but they still receive 4K 120 capability, strong HDR, automatic low-latency switching, and an enormous screen that can make single-player games feel exceptionally immersive. The disadvantage is price, because the X11L's flagship dimming hardware and premium design place it far above several televisions that already deliver excellent 4K 120 gaming. It wins this ranking as the strongest complete gaming television, but the QM8L remains the better value and may provide most of the experience for considerably less money. For buyers trying to spend the least while still getting serious performance, the Hisense U7SG offers the strongest affordable path into 100-inch mini-LED gaming, while the Samsung QN80H provides polished processing, FreeSync support, and Samsung's cloud gaming ecosystem. The Hisense U8QG is the strongest choice for gamers who prioritize 165Hz PC performance and extreme brightness, while the TCL QM8L combines 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, excellent HDR, and flagship-level flexibility at a more reasonable price. The TCL X11L takes first place because it delivers the most complete combination of HDR brightness, local dimming precision, 4K 144 connectivity, VRR, FreeSync Premium Pro, and giant screen immersion, although my personal recommendation for most buyers would still be the TCL QM8L, since spending substantially more on the X11L will not produce an equally large improvement in every game. Before making your decision, compare today's prices, availability, and buyer reviews using the links in the description below, because in the 98 and 100-inch category, a major discount can be more important than a small difference in refresh rate or peak brightness.